Hello, my friends. Well, my newfound friends. Well, today I'm taking an adventure on the Navi. I'm going to Best Buy to pick up a few items that I need. I know y'all probably heard all that wind noise, but because I had my visor open. But today's adventure is to Best Buy. Pick up some items that I need and get on back. Look like it may rain. Hopefully y'all don't get rained on. But if so, we'll see how this Navi does in the rain. At this point, as you can see, the video is going to warp speed. I'm gonna stop and get some fuel and be on my way. The weather is still dry. Navi's riding well. I don't believe the gas hand is completely accurate, but that's all right. Alright, y'all, we made it to Best Buy. I'm gonna go in here and get my order. Let's see if we gonna put it in this so-called trunk that the Navi has, or whatever you want to call it, storage compartment, trunk, something. I'm going to get it. Alright, y'all, I got my Best Buy order. Get ready to see what this thing does. See what I can fit in here. Alright. Adapter for my iPad. SSD drive. Sticks of RAM. And the mount for my GoPro 360 camera. I had to finagle that a little bit. Take it out the box. It's gonna have to come out the box. Okay, this is the point where it started to rain. Not a big deal to me. I'm an experienced rider. I've rode a lot in the rain. Surprisingly, the Navi handled quite well in the rain. I know a lot of people said the stock tires are sketchy. Granted, I wasn't pushing it hard. I was just riding the bike like I normally would in the rain, which means I slow down and take it easy, give myself some extra stopping power, and I also pay attention to where the car's tire tracks are. I try to ride in those because the car tires might have treaded some of the water off the road already. But surprisingly, the Navi didn't do well in the, didn't do too bad in the rain. I did get quite soaked when I got home and had to about change my clothes in the garage. I was going to film that at the time, but my helmet cam died on my way home. But all in all, it was a successful trip to Best Buy. Can't complain at all. Storage compartment worked out well, and the Navi did its job.